Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Sync 3 is updated and that the vehicle is parked with the parking brake applied. Safety lockouts prevent video while driving. Insert a FAT32 USB with an MP4H, 264 file, or connect your phone via USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Once done, power on the screen and unlock media settings in System Preferences if required. Because Sync blocks video by default to avoid distractions, make sure you tap Media, then choose USB or CarPlay/Android Auto as the source. This tells Sync 3 where to read the files. Next, use the touchscreen or steering wheel arrows to navigate folders. Pressing a folder opens its contents, and thumbnails help you confirm the right file. When you find the video, select it and choose Play. Sync 3 may prompt about screen visibility, except if parked. While it buffers, the unit decodes H.264, so you get smooth video and synced audio. You finish playback by using on-screen controls to pause or seek. Note Sync 3 does not support variable speed or picture-in-picture. If the file won't play, stop and check the codec and resolution. Convert to MP4H, 264 and try again, because unsupported codecs are the most common issue. Also confirm the USB is FAT32 and not XFAT, keep file names short, and test a different USB port or drive. If problems persist, reboot the head unit by holding the power button to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.